Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Glen Kettle SA9015DX Red. So let's get started. Now this is a kettle, beautiful color red from the brand Glen. You can see the product image here. You can see the model number SA905DX Red. Now there are some features that it has, like it has a capacity of 1.8 liters, which is pretty good. At a time, if you want to boil 4 to 5 cups of water, you can do that easily with this. It comes with a 2-year warranty and the power is 1350 watts. That means your water will boil quickly. Now it is for your everyday cup of tea. So whether you want to have green tea, you want to have normal boiling water, you want to make coffee, for so many things we require boiling water. And now not every time you have to go to the kitchen and switch off your gas stove. You can do that in this kettle. You can keep it on your bedside table in your bedroom, you can keep it in your office, you can keep it on the dining table, wherever you want to keep. Now let's quickly open the box and see what all is inside the box. So this is the kettle and this is the power base, and you also get this warranty card cum user manual. You can also go through this. Now I'll keep the box on the side. So as you can see, it looks really nice. The finish is very good. You can see bright red color, so I think this color is also appropriate for gifting, for festivals, for housewarming parties. If you're thinking to buy a nice gift, then kettle is something which is required in every household. Now you can see the Glen branding here, and it's slightly matte finish. It's made of plastic, but the outside is matte in finish, so it looks premium. If I talk about the handle, it's quite sturdy, and here you get the gap also, so nicely made. And this is the lid. Again, this is made of plastic. Now in order to use this, I'll just quickly tell you how to use this. You have to keep the base here. You have to plug this in the socket, and all you have to do is keep the kettle on the base and switch this button. So it's very simple to use. It's not a very complicated kettle. You just have this one button, push button. To switch it off also you have to do that. In order to switch it on also you have to do that. And you have to pour water here. The capacity is 1.2 liters, and I like the fact that here inside it's all stainless steel, matte finish stainless steel, so it's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain, it's more durable, and it's hygienic also. It's rust resistant also. So you just have to put in water here, close the lid and switch on the button, plug this in, and then here the red light will appear. That means the water is boiling, and as soon as the water gets boiled, it will automatically shut off. So you don't have to worry about shutting it off. And because it's stainless steel and it's made of good quality plastic, the water also stays warm for a longer time. So if you have boiled water, like in 5-10 minutes, it will not get cold. It will keep the water warm for a longer time. So this was it in the unboxing of Glen Kettle SA9015DX Red. If you want to buy it for yourself or for gifting, it's a perfect choice. You also get a 2-year warranty on this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.